Okay, you guys, this is the finished product. This is what he eats every single day. Okay, so finished that, and I'm very full. I don't know how. Keep in mind, right now, he is like kind of bulking, I guess. Like, so he's eating 4 meals a day, which to some people may not sound that big, but it's just like he does eat quite large meals that are very like calorie and dense. So yeah, we love that. And obviously, if you can't tell by the title of the video, it is eating like my boyfriend for a day. So I do too.
I ate one of those and it tastes like dirt.
He literally eats this whole like stick. Well, he's not playing when he does this. These are legit his sandwiches.
They're like
Lunch, dinner. Okay guys, it's lunchtime now. We got the wrap. I have to cut this. I literally can't bite it. I kept trying. So we're cutting it. Rollies, ice cream, and boba tea. Where? Green, 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 go, green, 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 go. Now they're gonna go get lunch. I'm gonna eat my packed lunch. Okay, so they chose Texas Roadhouse. Here now, if it'll focus.
We're ready to mow.
Yeah, they're gonna mow down on some steak and stuff. Got my lunchbox, so I'm gonna be eating this in here. My appetizer. These are giant. Their appetizer. Like the peanut butter on the side. Scott, what are you doing? We're all done with that so far. And then I'll eat like the orange and the apple in the car. And then they're done with their food. See, I'm home now. And I picked this up at the thing because I was super tired and Scott doesn't typically drink these, but sometimes he drinks Rock Stars and he also takes pre-workout. So I feel like that kind of like, and I know we went to the gym today and took pre-workout, so this makes up for it. Those backwards. I still have that orange and then the apple that I need to eat. And we got this because I plan on staying up late. See you at the house. Done.